today's news headline is UN expert launches inquiry of unconscionable, unacceptable acts of Indian government. Details of the news. A United Nations human rights expert has expressed grave concern over credible reports that Rohingya refugees were forcibly cast into the Andaman Sea by the Indian authorities last week. The UN Special Rapporteur about Human Rights in Myanmar, Tom Andrews, has launched an inquiry into what he described as unconscionable and unacceptable acts, urging the Indian government to cease inhumane and life-threatening treatment of Rohingya refugees. Andrews stated that the idea that refugees were forced off a naval vessel into an open water is outrageous. I am seeking further information and testimony and call on the Indian government to provide a full accounting of this act. According to reports, dozens of Rohingya refugees with valid documentation were detained in Delhi. Around 40 were allegedly blindfolded, flown to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, transferred to an Indian naval vessel, and then forced into the sea near Myanmar's coast with only life jackets. Though they reportedly survived the swim to shore, their current whereabouts remained unknown. In a separate incident, approximately 100 Rohingya refugees were reportedly removed from a detention center in Assam and relocated to an area near the Bangladesh border. Their status is also unclear. This action suggests a shocking disregard for the lives and safety of vulnerable people who require international protection. He emphasized that such conduct would violate the international legal principle of non-refoulement, which prohibits returning individuals to countries where they risk persecution or harm. On 3 March 2025, Andrews communicated with the government of India to raise concerns about the arbitrary detention and forced repatriation of Rohingya refugees, urging authorities to provide access to detention facilities and halt deportation. Andrews concluded as, "The Indian government must immediately repudiate these inhuman practices and deportations to Myanmar and ensure accountability for violations of its international obligations."